everybody, my name is Heavenly, and today we are going to be unboxing both Holly and Laurel Devious. So I cannot wait to jump right into this. But before we do that, make sure to smash like and subscribe because I will be doing videos every day at 10 for Good Buddy. That's 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm going to go take these both out of the box, and I will see you in a minute. Also, I'm going to show the back of the box real quick. It just has the Devious twins and Crystal on it. A pretty typical Rainbow High box, but I thought you guys deserve to see it. And also, Holly really needs unboxed because she has got a rip in her box. And it's like, Michael, don't leave me here. Michael. But yes, I'm gonna go take them out of the box and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back and they are both out of the box. And they are even cuter out of the box than I expected them to be. I already really liked them, but seeing them unboxed just made my love for them even stronger. I think color scheme wise, I don't know which one I like more. They both pair really well together because they have very similar outfits, but there is that contrast of having the bows and the ponytails in different places, so they look like really good side by side. I also love the sunset and sunrise theme. It always looks good with them. And I want to show a little bit more in depth of both of their outfits. So this is Laurel, or Holly. This one's Holly. And as you can see, I really like the bow. I feel like it's very dramatic, it's very cute, it's very fitting for like Rainbow Junior High. And the fabric and everything just makes her look so expensive. And they always have that kind of rich girl vibe, so I think it really goes with them. And then she has a t-shirt underneath it, which is a separate piece. I'm pretty sure it's just plain underneath. But it's plain underneath, see? But it's a really nice detail because then if you ever want to like restyle them or you end up getting an extra, you have that extra piece right there. And it goes with pretty much everything. I also love the way that like the white t-shirt and the stockings go together because it kind of gives them almost a shorter look than they already are, which adds to like the cute factor. I really like that. And then, of course, there are bows on her shoes, similar to the bow on her dress. But her shoes are golden white, and the bows are white as well. And the makeup is very simple, since she is a junior high schooler. Lip gloss and some light eyeshadow. But she does come with a scrunchie, which, again, is perfect for junior high. I really love all the scrunchies that the Rainbow Junior High dolls have. And she has hair clips, which again, it's very much contributing to the theme. I overall think that they translated the characters very well into junior high dolls. It doesn't just feel like a second outfit for them. It does feel like what they would actually wear in junior high. For the next doll, we have Laurel. Wait, is this one Holly? Or is I genuinely, for some reason. Hold on. I know, I'm being a bad Rainbow High fan here. This is Laurel. This is Laurel. This is Holly. I apologize. I'm usually not that bad with names. It's just, since they're twins, I kind of just associate them both with each other and I kind of fuse them into one person. Now, I think I like her shoes a little bit better than, Laurel's, just because I like the color scheme better, but I honestly think they both look equally good with the outfits. If I were gonna put these on a different doll, I would prefer these over these probably, but it also depends on the look. It really is interesting, like how much color scheme can change everything, because the day and night mode of this is so fascinating to look at because it just creates a totally different vibe, a totally different like just look in general on her than it is on her. And she has some light blue eyeshadow with some lipstick and she has the same dress with the, And the bow is really nicely made, and the gem in the middle of it makes it feel very, very expensive. Also, the stockings feel exactly like they do on Cheryl Meyer. So if you were wondering, they are exactly like Cheryl Meyer's stockings. And she also comes with a scrunchie, but I do find that her scrunchie does blend with her hair a little bit more than Holly's scrunchie does. So that is something interesting. She really feels like she's like ready for, like, you know, even spring, very much ready for outings. And then she feels like very nighttime, high fashion wear on the runway. Walk, walk, walk. Okay, it's not really focusing, but as you can see, her nails are painted. And an interesting thing about these is, number one, the choice to do short nails I think was very, very good. I'm glad they didn't do long acrylics for the Rainbow Junior High, but I do love the long acrylics that they've been doing with some of their other recent dolls. But every single nail pretty much is a different color, which is very fun and very, very, like, very youthful, very playful in nature. It's the same for Holly, except hers uses sunrise warm tones and hers uses cool tones. And yes, this has been Rainbow Junior High, Laurel and Holly. And I'm sorry if I ramble. Oh, I forgot something. They also come with backpacks. Obviously, or maybe not so obviously, you never know. This one is Laurel's, and it has a chain, and it has straps as well. Really nicely made. I love the backpacks that the Rainbow Junior High come with. And then straps, chain, but it's red. And of course they come with combs. Any stands that you've seen have been my own personal stands. They did not come with stands. But yeah, I am sorry if this video was all over the place. I am not feeling good. It's raining outside, so I almost never feel good when it rains. But if you like this video and you want to see more videos, hopefully better than this video, then make sure to smash like on this video and subscribe for more. And I'll be back very soon with more videos. Bye, everybody!